Well, education is so important. To grow the country and to grow yourself, education is the most important thing that is required in your own life. और खासकर आज जब पैंडमिक का समय है जहाँ पे लोग स्कूल तक नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, people are unable to visit the tuitions or the schools, we have a very amazing foundation which has come up and they have been associated with the University of America. Well, I'm talking about the Hayden International Foundation in association with IERS, IFERS. In association with IFERS, University of America. Well, with us, we have the directors of Hayden. With us, we have Mr. Harjeet Anand ji. सबसे पहले आपका बहुत स्वागत है, and thank you so much for calling me here. We have two amazing scholars and the educationists. We have Mr. Anand Salunki, who is also the director and CEO of Hayden International Foundation. Also with us, we have Mr. Harish Pandam. Shri Hari Pandam, right? Shri Hari Pandam. Okay. Also with us, we have the advisor, Mr. Shri Hari Pandam. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
So firstly, to begin with, Harjeet ji, हमें ये बताइए, what is it all about? Hayden is about what exactly?
See, now I am also the Vice Chancellor of the American University. So what we have done is, like, Indians have got a lot of qualifications. They are very much good in everything, but they are not good in paperwork, and they don't have diplomas, degrees and all that. So after I become the Vice Chancellor of American University, so what I thought was creating a kind of fusion of Bollywood in education, giving vocational training online.
Okay.
So I spoke to Meet Brothers, I spoke to Archana Kochar, I spoke to Prahlad Kakkadji, so and so forth, a lot of celebrities. And they have agreed to be part of this program where students will be trained online. And we have already got a intellectual software where more than 3 to 5 lakh people can be educated at the same time, like OTT or OBC. So the thing is, in 10 courses and all, and then the homework and all intellectual software sees, and then they get a American University with Hayden being part of it, and this will help them in getting visas. This will help them in getting jobs. It will be a big value addition in their lives.
Right.
So this is, I think, first time where we are gonna do a fusion of American University and also the Indian thing. And this is not only for India, this is global.
Okay.
This is globally, it is going to be launched in next 30 days.
So in this Hayden, who are the people who will teach? As you said, Mr. Prahlad Kakkadji, who will probably teach about the advertising or something, right? So is it going to be like that, or like?
Yeah. So it will be like, those the shoot. A lot of content building will be done. Proper content building will be done of 10 sessions, and then it will be gone online on the intellectual software.
So is it any specific stream, or every stream it will cover?
After 30 minutes, it will be a session for 30 minutes, and then the homework will be given to the student.
Okay.
Like in Arogya Setu or whenever you do a Make My Trip payment, the intellectual software tells us that this is missing, this is missing.
Okay.
So you have to do all those things.
Right.
So whatever homework is given, they have to fulfill that norms, and then they can go on to another session.
I see.
So basically, all sessions after all the episodes, or what in OTT we call episodes. So all these sessions they complete, and they get a diploma.
Right. So I would like to come to Mr. Salunki. So what made you start and make it happen? Why do you think that Hayden is required online and can go globally, and especially with University of America?
The basic problem students are facing is actually they don't have technical knowledge. Means there are many students who are having a lot of caliber, and the idea of Mr. Harjeet Singh is basically to teach the student in very affordable fees. Means we are starting these courses from $200 only. If you are getting the degree of America in $200, why will you not choose Hayden basically? So the idea is basically students who are very scholar but little bit poor or not in good condition, not financial condition or anything else, they can do cyber security courses, they can do animator courses, they can do many courses. We have 27 courses like Kubernetes, which is actually not introduced to India. Being technical student, actually I know many students are having lot of caliber, but the only problem is their situation, and we are addressing this problem very well. And as sir has already said that we have lectures of 30 minutes, we are providing the proper assignment, we are taking regularly exams of the students, and definitely it will help to create the future of India, we can say, because right now everyone knows that 100 smart cities are coming in the India. So our students will be the smart students who can definitely give the technical support to the whole India and the whole world. And as we have already discussed that the student from any country like African country or USA or UK, he can join our online courses and he will definitely get the pure knowledge which will create difference between other students and our students.
So it will be basically a diploma, not a degree, is it?
Diploma and degree both.
Both
Because
are
we have 3 level courses, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Level 1 will be basic, second will be mediocre and third will be the highest level.
Right.
Level
So for
three.
example, somebody wants to do their graduation,
Yeah.
so they can join Hayden?
Definitely,
They can-
definitely. If you want to do graduation, definitely. And one more important thing, you can definitely apply for visa on this degree basically. Degree and
So
diploma
for
courses.
example, I want to do, or somebody else wants
Yeah,
to do
yeah,
their
yeah.
graduation or masters, and apart from that, you can do separately diploma also.
Yes, and one very important thing that there is no age limit.
I see.
Education has no age limit actually. If a child of 8 years or 10 years or 12 years and a person of 58 years or 60 years want to learn something, definitely he can join Hayden International.
That's amazing. I think that is one of the biggest, most different, unique
Yeah.
concept that you have.
Basically, when we discuss all this idea, actually, our director and our advisor especially, he has advised that what is the lacuna actually. So he has addressed the lacuna, and finally we bring this product Hayden International with association of IFERS. Actually.
So, if I may ask, like we have amazing, we are in India, we have great universities, right?
Yeah.
So, I know the answer, but also I would like to know why have you chosen the University of America?
Yeah, a very good question actually. I'm telling you that everyone knows that we have the attraction of America actually, attraction of America, and many times it happens actually. Just by the name of America, many things are happening, and you also know it very well. And second important thing that IFERS is giving the quality education. That is the main purpose we have chosen IFERS only.
Also, I feel, listening to both of you, I feel that since it's going globally, I think University of America is the best decision to take, because in India, Indians will go, but for global, I
The
think
countries,
America
yeah.
is the best
Yeah.
of this thing. So, Mr. Advisor, Mr. Panda, so what is the best advice that you think you have given to Hayden as of now? And what do you think about the entire concept?
If we look at the Indian environment currently, skilling is one of the most important problems that we are facing. We have one of the highest working age population in India. Means you have too many workers who are looking for job,
Right.
but they are not getting that job mainly because of lack of proper skills that are required from the industry. Industry has a specific demand for skill set, and that demand is not met from the people that they are reaching to industry.
Right.
So Hayden International Foundation, it is going to bridge that specific gap where people are looking for skills which will give them jobs.
Okay, wow.
So in Hayden International, we are going to connect with American universities basically because they are offering you cutting edge technologies that are yet to reach India. So when we go abroad, we go and connect with technologies that are going to come to India. So those technologies will be taken through Hayden International, and they will be provided to various entrepreneurs, various students that are wanting to prove themselves in these technologies. So we are taking this task, or I have advised this organization mainly to take that task of skilling India. If we skill them, they will get an employability, they will get employment, which is going to be there in India as well as in abroad. So
Beautiful.
That is the basic advice that I have given to this organization.
I think it's an amazing concept that you all have come up with, and congratulations to all of you. One last question I would like to ask. Is there any placement services that you would be giving while degree or diploma?
Basically, students, when they are going to have advanced skill sets, they will automatically be helped to get jobs at different locations. So
Right.
that is always on the cards. Whenever we are offering them skills, we will also offer them channel through
Right.
which they can approach to appropriate organizations for employment.
Fair. Absolutely. Fantastic. I think we have to know more about it as you start off, and let us know. We are waiting to see it online. Thanks
Thanks
so
so
much. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.